Where am I off to now? Stay tuned and find out right after this intro. I'm Anita, aka the Professor. Join me and my husband Kevin as we strap on our backpacks, grab our passports, and explore this amazing world. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am coming to you from Tranquility Base. Huh? What's that? Tranquility Base. It is our camper van. We bought it a little over a year ago now, and we're going to head out for about a week and a half and explore 3 state parks here in Indiana. Our first stop will be Clifty Falls State Park, located in the southern part of the state, kind of near Louisville, Kentucky. It is home to 4 huge waterfalls. 2 of them are over 60 feet tall. One is 75 and the other is 83 feet tall. I've been told they are amazing. Cannot wait to get there. So trust me, you'll see lots of photos and videos as we explore this part of the state. After leaving Clifty Falls, we will drive west to Patoka Lake. This is one of the largest, if not the largest reservoir in the state. I was there back in October and November. I'll leave the link up above. It is home to several pair of bald eagles. I really hope I get a chance to photograph them. I didn't see them back in the fall, but I'm hoping that during nesting season, they might be a little bit more active. So if I see them, you know I'll show them to you. Our last stop will be Turkey Run State Park. I have heard nothing but rave reviews from everyone here about this park. It is supposed to have lots and lots of hiking trails and is famous for a suspension bridge which goes over the Sugar Creek. Lots of stairs to get down to the bridge, but afterwards it is supposed to have wonderful hiking area. So really looking forward to that. And here's the map of our route. It's really just a big loop through the southern part of the state. Really looking forward to it. I will actually be a camp host at Patoka Lake State Park in July and August of this year, so that should be a lot of fun. For those of you who aren't familiar with Tranquility Base, who thought I only walk Caminos, well, Tranquility Base is our Ford Transit camper van we bought last year. I'll leave the link to it up above so you can kind of get an overview. We've done a few updates to it over the last year. We replaced the air fryer with a microwave, and I also added some shelving to some of the storage areas to maximize the amount of space we have for storage. Love the van. It works great for us. We can drive it everywhere, and very, very happy with it. Am I going to be heading out for any Caminos later? We don't know yet. We'll see what December has to bring. We may be heading across the pond. We'll have to see. We will certainly keep you posted. But again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you again. I hope you share this with your friends. I'm really trying to build up this channel, and your help would go a long way in doing so. Thank you again. Take care, and get out there and travel. Bye-bye.